Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access the data folder using ZArchiver. First, ensure ZArchiver is installed on your Android device. This powerful file manager allows you to navigate restricted directories, which is crucial for accessing application-specific data. We'll cover the initial setup and necessary permissions to get you started. Understanding these foundational steps is key to successfully managing your device's internal storage and modifying app data as needed, giving you greater control over your files. To begin, open your device's settings, then locate Apps or Applications. Find ZArchiver in the list and tap on it. Next, go to Permissions and ensure storage permission is granted. This is absolutely essential, as ZArchiver needs full access to your device's internal storage to view and modify files within the Android data folder. Without this crucial step, you will encounter limitations and be unable to proceed with accessing the protected directories. Once permissions are set, open ZArchiver. You'll see your device's internal storage. Navigate to the Android folder, then open the data folder. Here, you'll find numerous subfolders, each corresponding to an installed application. Look for folders named after the app's package name, which often includes the developer's name or the app's title. For example, a game might have a folder like COM, Game Developer, Game Name. This is where app-specific data is stored. Inside an app's data folder, you can now perform various file operations. Tap and hold a file or folder to bring up options like copy, cut, delete, or rename. Exercise extreme caution when modifying or deleting files here, as incorrect changes can cause applications to malfunction or lose data. Always consider creating a backup of any critical files or folders to a safer location before making permanent alterations, ensuring you can restore them if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.